Here today, gone tomorrow. Guys, that actually makes a lot of sense if you say that yesterday. The whales were returning yesterday, volume was up, and today, they're disappearing once again. Now, I don't know if this means that Shiba Inu coin is going to fall back down, if it's going to go up, if it's going to stay steady or what, but we got to talk about the whale volume, because right now, meme coins in general are getting hit very hard because of all of the fear, because of all of the uncertainty, and because of all of the doubt. Right now, if you look at it, we're sitting at a level of 24 extreme fear. Now, the good news is, this is better than where we were yesterday. Of course, the bad news is it's still extreme fear, but we're on the brink of being in the orange as opposed to being in the red. So let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, fear is still very high right now. The price of Shiba Inu coin is still very low right now, but we may have bottomed out around that 1,000 point per coin mark, and we've got to keep an optimistic outlook. I know a lot of people out there say Shiba Inu coin only ever goes down, it's only ever going down, it's bad, it's bad, it's bad, and it is, right? It is bad. The price action over the last 3 months is bad. But if you are unwilling to buy on the dip, you're not going to be able to take advantage of the price rise, and you're not going to be able to take advantage of the overall market when it does move higher. So let's talk a little bit about what's happening with Shiba Inu coin right now, because my belief is this: the more you know, the less afraid you are. Because if I look at the market and I see it going down, and I start to believe and I start to trick myself into thinking it's only ever going to go down, well, of course, I'm going to be afraid. I'm going to sell. I'm going to fall victim to the price action. But if I know that the market moves in cycles, that we've got nothing but good news and positive catalysts on the horizon, I become a lot more confident. So let's see what whales are doing at the moment. It says large holders are leaving the market in an alarming rate, which is a worrying trend for Shiba Inu coin. Recent data shows a startling 70% drop in whale transactions, pointing to a significant change in institutional and high net worth investors' attitudes. The price of Shiba Inu coin is further declining into bearish territory as a result of the sharp outflow and larger downward trend. Now, guys, I don't think that today's price action is a sharp decline. Okay, a 70% decrease in whale activity today as opposed to the increase we saw over this period. Whales dictate the price. I will give you that. But this is not something that Shiba Inu coin investors should be concerned with. This is roughly a 1% move in the overall price of Shiba Inu coin. And if this 1% decline scares you, you are not ready for the crypto market. I mean, there's no other way to put that, right? You are not ready to trade cryptocurrency. It is much more volatile than this day has to offer. Now, it goes on to say that according to on-chain analytics, Shiba Inu coin's large holder outflow has decreased by roughly 73% in the last month, which is indicative of a precipitous, my goodness, drop in whale engagement. Such a large decline may indicate growing doubt about Shiba Inu coin's future performance, as whale transactions have historically been a crucial gauge of market confidence. Now, at the same time, large holder inflows have also fallen by about 85%, which has further cemented the downward trend in interest. It will be more difficult for Shiba Inu coin to bounce back from its recent losses because decreased whale activity usually indicates lower liquidity and weaker buying support. If there's one thing that I have noticed about Shiba Inu coin, or really any cryptocurrency for that matter, people pour back in. They don't leave and leave forever. They leave for a time, they get emotional, and then they return. And guys, I don't know what the catalyst is going to be, right? It could be interest rate cuts. Jerome Powell and the Federal Reserve could come out and decrease interest rates. It could be another mention from President Trump. It could be anything that sparks a rally, and then that rally turns into an exponential rip. Not just in Shiba Inu coin, but the overall crypto market as well. It says Shiba Inu coin is already showing oversold conditions. Now, that's excellent. And there's little chance of a significant recovery unless there is fresh demand from key players. There will be at some point. I just don't know when that point is. Due to its inability to maintain any meaningful bullish momentum, Shiba Inu coin has been trapped in a declining trend. At the moment, the asset is close to its critical support around 1,200 points per coin, and the price may drop to 1,000 points per coin if this level is not maintained. Absolutely agree. right? If you look at the price action on Shiba Inu coin, it's around 1260, which is not bad. And then, of course, we can come all the way down here to test that 1,000 point per coin mark. We wicked down there about a week ago now and bounced back pretty strong, 20+% over the course of the following 5 days. So Shiba Inu coin is in an overall downtrend. Absolutely. We can see the decline right there. But here's the deal. Here's why people are disappearing. Here's why people are I guess, not buying right now. And it's the fear. Guys, if you look at the Fear and Greed Index out on CoinStats, it's a level of 24 extreme fear. If you come out to CoinMarketCap, you can see that it's 24 fear right now. People are afraid. And this is causing the red lines and the red numbers and the declines on the screens that we see. It's the fear. If people did what made sense, right, we would see more buying pressure right now than we've ever seen before. We would, because prices are low. Everybody with half a brain knows that you should buy low and sell high, but they just don't do it. They fall victim to that fear. They do, and it's an emotional roller coaster. I am ignoring it, okay? I am ignoring that fear. I haven't added any Shiba Inu coin in a while, but I am adding to my portfolio, not on a daily basis, but every few days right now, as the fear overwhelms other investors. I am actively deciding to ignore it. Now, of course, you guys know that one of the places I am accumulating is out here on the KSX exchange. I'm beating the whales to it. We might decline further. I'm ready for that. I'm ready for Shiba Inu coin to decline further, and I will add even more. I'm not out there, buying 100% of my cash into cryptocurrency every chance that I get. I am simply taking a responsible approach. I am adding in, ignoring the emotion, and buying when I know that prices are low. If I look at Shiba Inu coin right now, I see 3x gains just to get back up to where we were a couple of months ago. I see essentially 8x gains to get back up to its all-time high. You've got an opportunity in the meme coin space right now. Go on down the line. Official Trump, you're looking at 7x gains to get back up to where it was just a couple months ago. Melania meme, you're looking at, nearly 20x gains to get back up to where it was just a couple of months ago. SPX 6900, I believe you get 4x gains here to get back up to where it was just a couple months ago. Go on down the line. AI 16Z, 10x plus gains to get back up to where it was. You get so much opportunity right now. Everything is beaten down. I saw Miro. Miro was one that went to like 40 cents a while ago, and now it's sitting at like 1.7 cents. Daddy is another one that is at 4 cents right now, and this one was 30 cents just last year. The opportunity is abundant, and we have to be willing to buy. Now, if you're looking for a centralized exchange, you've got the KSX exchange down in the description below. These guys are absolutely excellent in the amount of cryptocurrency they have, hold, allow you to trade, and they allow you to trade on up to 100x leverage as well. So make sure to check them out. Extremely low fees. You've got a link in the description below for Best Wallet as well. Now, the link is going to pull you up to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store, and this is quickly becoming, I have used Trust Wallet for several years now, but Best Wallet is quickly becoming one of my favorite cryptocurrency wallets to use, and they actually allow you to onboard with fiat currency as well. So if you want to go take your dollars and you want to buy Bitcoin with it, you can absolutely do that. But they make it very easy to buy a lot of these ICOs as well. And I'm trying to work with the Best Wallet team. The more downloads they get, the better chance we have of burning Shiba Inu coin and some stuff like that. So make sure, click that link down in the description below. It's going to pull you up to your Google Play Store, your Apple App Store. Click download, and then we can start negotiating on some of the numbers there. But definitely one of the best wallets that I've seen in a very long time. Let me know what you guys think about them down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.